How to appear offline on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to appear offline on Snapchat. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat and then make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you need to do is now head over to your chat section. And from your chat section, tap on your profile icon at the top left. And on the top right, you'll find the gear icon. So just tap on it to go to settings. Once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to find your privacy control. Scroll down a bit and here you will see the privacy control option. Then right below that, you'll have the activity indicator. Just tap on it. And if you want to hide your activity indicator when enabled, others can see you if you have been recently active on Snapchat. So if this is turned on, they'll be able to see if you are online on Snapchat or not. So if I just tap on the plus icon, as you can see, there are a lot of green dots right here, meaning that they have been recently active on Snapchat. So simply go ahead and go back. And then from here, you could just go ahead and go to settings again and turn it off. So go to activity indicator and toggle this off. Doing this will make sure that no one will be able to see if you're recently active on Snapchat. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.